Alright, it's very easy and simple way to set up an auto clicker on your iPhone. Just go ahead and tap on the setting of your iPhone. In your iPhone setting, please scroll down and open up accessibility. In accessibility, please scroll down and you will find an option switch control. Open up a switch control and here we want to go to switches. In switches, we want to go ahead and click on add new switch. In the new switch, please go ahead and select screen option. Here you will get full screen. Just tap on full screen and we want to select the tab from the system menu. Let's go ahead and select tab option. Now full screen tabs configured under switch control. Now tap back and please go to recipes under switch. We need to set up here basically what the auto clicker will do. Just go ahead and click on create new recipe and type in the name. I want to type it test 1 and switches. Let's go ahead and tap on assign a switch, then select the full screen. So here we need to select the actions. They have some built-in like tap middle of screen, right to left swipe, left to right swipe, hold data point, and custom gesture. Our purpose is to create a custom gesture that will select, tap, or click in a specific area of the screen. Just go ahead and select the custom gesture. Now here we have to select the area of screen where we want auto switcher to tap. So let's try that. I want to tap here, tap here, tap here, tap here, tap here, and then tap here for the testing purposes. Once you are done, just go ahead and tap on save button. Now let's go back to the accessibility page. In order to have quick access to our auto clicker, scroll all the way down and select accessibility shortcut option. And then just scroll down and make sure you have selected the switch control. So now it's time to confirm that our auto clicker is working fine. Let's go back on the main screen. To test this auto clicker, I want to open Safari in my mobile phone. Let's go ahead and go to Google here. Just triple tap the power button of your mobile and here you have option to enable or start switch control. Once I select switch control, it started working according to the setup we have set up just recently in our iPhone. So that's perfect. If you want to go ahead and stop this auto clicker, just again triple tap the power button of your iPhone. And now the auto clicker is stopped. So that's it about today's simple and quick tutorial on how to set up auto clicker on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.